Look to the cargo, Starlink missing, stove missing, all kind of ras bomb.
Wow, box cover burritos. This is Dirty Berry, and welcome to another Countdown Quickie, where I give you a trending topic in a jiffy. And this time we're talking about the Gargamel. We're talking about reggae superstar icon Buju Banton, and he is not born to kill anyone, but he is feeling very cross, angry, and miserable. Why? Well, you have to talk about the people them down at the airport, the stolen port. So, according to Jamaica Observer, them said the reggae superstar Buju Banton is among several people complaining that containers filled with relief items for those affected by Hurricane Melissa are being stolen at the airport. So right now Buju Banton is not pleased. Buju Banton is not feeling very well because several entertainers, Jamaican entertainers, jumped in once Hurricane Melissa happened. They swooped in, they tried to gather all of them networks and make sure so that they can send some items to Jamaica. And of course the Gargamel was at the top of that list. So people, just imagine after all of that hard work that Buju Banton would have put in now, the items them reach a Jamaica now, only for when him go get a look on the stuff them, him a realize for the items them in there that people are taking them out. Them a take them out. Now, in a post on Instagram, Buju Banton said him could no longer stay quiet about what is happening, and so he had to speak up about it. And people, me gonna tell you this, I'm going to tell you this right now. The Gargamel, he did not mince him words. And so right now, me have to just go make sure so I'm going to put a little disclaimer here before I get into the thick of things, because Buju Banton made his voice heard. And yeah, man, the profanity is very real, but me going to keep it in so you can understand the full context of everything. Take a listen.
But this girl a ranky. One little nasty crowbait girl come talk about the barrel them now on the marking. Right? Them come on a cargo plane done said. Right? And no thieving brother and thieving family over the work at the fucking airport. You don't understand. So when things are do things on them hard, you think up. What do you think up here though? You think that Terry long life we up here live? I want them Luman life that up here live. We're working hard and we're trying to do things to the country and we don't get the cargo come. Right? First and foremost, take forever for you with the cargo. Right? And when the cargo come out and we start looking to the cargo, Starlink missing, stove missing, all kind of ras bomb, ras clotting, blood clot missing, and the barrel them half empty. See, nothing ever happened to Kingston. There's no reason for nobody at Kingston for your teeth, nothing from the people of Jamaica. You understand me? But the sound stay on have a dirty, crowbait, reptobate, blood clot mentality and break my fucking heart. You understand me? I should have come down and come go to some scandal back because that's what the blood clot deserve. You know? You see it? Right? We don't let no clout and we know that the people in dire straits. So we have a thief and poor people and thief and people not go through such a hard time. We're not blocking at the barrel. And so we ask a question. Where is the oversight? Where are the security measures? Because you can't go through the airport and fart. So how somebody leave the airport with so much things, all these things where these packages come tampered with. Right? And you think that nice? A whole lot of people up here, so Barrington flying, there's a plane that come to Jamaica, come go to things and crash. So Barrington make 2 flights, them fly Monday and them fly Tuesday. 2 big rascal cargo plane. All if you know, say, when we open the package, everything tampered, everything, what I do, what do really deal with? We can't continue, sir. We cannot continue like this. It's painful. Because we're up on the battlefield, I'm and even I'm from man, and run up and down and meet people left, right, and center to secure something for my nation. Right? Oh, if I not secure, it just hurt my feelings, the blood clot. I don't have no idea. Me not talk the common people, me talk the thief, the money with them with a Norman man the airport. Okay? Because when the cargo plane and they say it land, right? And the amount of things that missing my people, it hurt me very fucking hard that you different blood clot in the cup, you don't find a drop of blood. Right? For what? Why are we doing these things? No, it's not the time for to teach people things out there for blood clot years. Take a break now, man. A crisis time now. Keep on sticky fingers to yourself. But you can't do it now. Okay? Because the head of the stream dirty, you know. So the head of the stream dirty, we expect to go on down at the bottom of the stream. We're in a crisis, man. For heaven's sake, man, have a heart, man. For God's sake, have a fucking heart. You dig? Me don't even like chat to you, because you have some little dirty reprobate who want come on this, come talk, but you don't know some of them stepping on the neck. You should have glad some of them in Babylon to blood clot, because you know I play a dirty nigga. You don't know. I'll go beat everyone will leave work. You don't know. I want to get my soul, my wrinkle and dirty area to where I'm mad. John, upset, man. Pull a barrel, I want to pull the barrel half empty. Pull the next one, every half stove. The man, I want to come out of the airport with them something there. Somebody answer that and tell me. I want to come out so we on the camera. People are going to work them and work at secure location. People check them bag, look at them car trunk, look behind them seat, them about thing with them walk and look under your bumper clot, batty hole. But we not do so much things and I get you with it. I want to hurt my feelings, man. I'm not keep silent now. I don't want nobody come tell me about me for blood clot keep silent. Where were you when we never run with me on my bread, you know? You think of beggings? You think of beggings? Sure. I love you, you know. But I don't love them behavior, yeah. And this, you know, discourage me. Yes. And discourage me. And let me down. So we say, mankind and mankind. That's why Jah punish we. Because we still don't understand the fundamentals of love and what it means. We don't say we can't thief. But this a time and a place for everything. We don't thief year in, year out. And years people are complaining, so them are come through. And when them send them little stuff and them send little stuff for them family member, when them go in the one pair, them can't find this, them can't find that. And them know them not mad. Them know them buy them thing and pack them thing and ship them thing. And but we can't continue like this. We cannot continue like this. Okay? We cannot continue like this. We cannot continue like this. If we're going to do something for Jamaica, let us all do it for Jamaica. We cannot do it and use it at the port of entry and thief the things then. I'm not going to condone that. I love you now. Take it and send it and all the haters and you can't go and go post because most are not thief from no mother womb. Yeah? And this is not the time for thief. Thieves normally get them foot broken and
Oh, wow, me nah lie, people. Buju talk, you know. No, honestly, like I completely agree with him. Like you know, imagine pulling together all of your resources, linking up with air cargo for carry the items them to Jamaica, only for to recognize that is your own people trying to hurt them own self. Like you're getting help and you're stealing from your own in a moment like this. Definitely understand exactly why he would be upset. Definitely understand why he would have feel away, and I think it is totally fine. I think it is definitely very justified. And you know, luckily you have a lot of people who are on social media who decided to, you know, jump out now and for make for them voices heard as well, and to, you know, I guess be in solidarity with Buju. And I'm going to let you hear some of them right now.
Serious note, I'm going to tell you what the things about Buju Barrel. You know, I'm going to know when for thief and how for thief and why for thief. Come on, man, time and place, man. I want to see how the country look, man. I want to walk a thief. I don't time for thief, you know, man. Time and place. I want to blood clad thief, man. Come on, man. I'm giving back time now, not time for thief, nothing, man. I'm going to say thiefy. I'm going to say finger fearing. And that's why really country can better, you know, man. Because that's summer own. I'm going to thief for the things about a Buju Barrel now, One not think thief things out of people barrel, or not thief things out of people suitcase. What am I going to know when for thief? What do no finger? What do no saw? G's and P, man. Time and place. Time and place, man. It don't look good, man. It don't look good. It don't look good. It thinks them are coming for people who have not now no a thief. We don't need to know when for thief and why for thief and how for thief, man. Time and place, man. A thief in time now. I mean, I don't know what wrong with someone, you know. And not even funny, you know, because I not laugh. I don't know when I laugh in time, man. But come on now, man. When see the people down there that even have one tapalin over there, I don't know how to thief things, man. If you do better, you know, I can go about my business, come me there and be there. I can't just sick on my stomach. I want to take care and have a good night. Bye.
See there? Not even 1 week good. I talk about the people them out of airport where I thief out the people them things them out of them luggage and out of the wharf. And Buju Banton company internet with the same cry. With the same frustration in come a ear out. The people them a thief out the people them things them at the wharf and at the airport. So that's why whole cargo plane come in with stuff for the hurricane victim. Them and the people them going at the people them things, bust it and go take out, tamper with the people them things, take out what them want take out. Why you not have to do them something in another country here? And I cannot say nothing about the government because it has nothing to do with the government. Because PNP didn't have power and it happened, JLP in a power and it happened, JLP in a power and it happened, PNP in a power and it happened. So really and truly, the two sides of government need to come together, go to the airport and see what them can do to get the situation under control. The man up on the internet is frustrated because he thinks them buy up to help the people them and not going there man thinks them and I take out what they want. And what kind of country this?
Well, I want to make Buju have to come out and talk today. I want to make Buju have to come out and talk today. And Buju attack because him a son na call Jamaica. Some of the Jamaican people them say something. Because Buju said nothing to do Kingston and imagine them send the sitting them because everybody thinks America is a bed of rose. People up here have to live from paycheck to paycheck and I try to find one little money out there to buy something for send come down there go and give everybody. And imagine when you send the sitting and half of the barrel empty, then take stove, then take all kind of sitting at Kingston at the wharf. Buju a cuss out the nastiness and it is so sad because nothing really do Kingston and the people that really need is something them. The people them at the wharf a thief out is something them. Buju cuss out something a while ago. And it's really, really sad for no said nobody now have no heart for you think about the next people that we are suffer. You understand? But you can't do then something there. Because people really in need and up your hard as Buju say. Right? And everybody are try their best, but in ono making it sitting and look good, man. Ono making it really not look good. Ono make people sometimes want to change their mind for something sometime. Why not try going at people then sitting them and pull them a teeth out? Don't know how to.
Well, burritos, want to hear from the people, them, them talk, them feel I definitely agree with them. It is very embarrassment. It's very embarrassment. It is very embarrassing. Like this does not look good at all. Like we know so the them things are going down there from a long time and I don't know half now. We know so the thief are going from a long time. We generations have spoken about it. But it's the fact that in a moment like this where the international community also look on us, they're also seeing how them can help us and something like this is happening to Buju Banton. Then what happen to the regular everyday civilians them and the stuff them that they're sending back to help their loved ones, their family, their friends back in Jamaica. They don't look good at all, man. And so burritos, let me just say this now. This is it. This is the end of the Countdown Quickie. Buju Banton shared his 2 cents. Remember for like, share, comment, and subscribe. Just let me know how you feel about the entire situation and sound off. But yeah, man, this not look good at all.